Hello, I am Asit Kumar Waghela and welcome to our Innovation and Entrepreneurship Assignment project. The name of our project is Indian Road Traffic Science and Rules Simulation in VR. Our team members are Waghela Asit Kumar, that is me, and my teammate Patel Avi. Now, my friend Avi will take forward the presentation.
So I will be talking about motivation behind our project. Traffic is one of the most important standards in the world to measure the national strength level. Public, drivers and the other road traffic participants have to improve the safety quality and safety skills. The ability to follow the common urban road traffic sign and marking is one of the most essential skills. A total 437,396 road accidents were recorded across India in 2019, resulting in the death of 154,732 people and injuries to another 439,262, according to the latest National Crime Records Bureau data. Also, the majority, 59.6% of the road accidents were due to overspeeding, which caused 86,241 deaths and left 2,71,581 people injured. The data stated a huge chunk of these accidents occur due to lack of traffic rules obedience. Our aim is to educate people about traffic rules and signs with an immersive experience in virtual reality that will help in reducing road accidents due to traffic rule breaks. So, I will be talking about objective for our project. We plan on making a VR guide with tools like Unity 3D that puts the candidate in the driver's seat and guides them through the real world traffic and show them different traffic signs and signals and how to follow the proper traffic rules on the road. The user will be able to use the simple app on their Android device with any affordable VR box. Area of innovations are computer science, virtual reality, and education. Now my friend Asit will carry on further.
Hello, I am Asit, and now I will be talking about the existing system that work on this concept. So during our research about this project, we came across some good projects on driving simulation. For example, driving license test. Some countries are implementing this technology in their driving license test, but considering the Indian traffic, we do not believe that this can be implemented in India because the traffic in India is so unpredictable. And also, there are some projects about learning the driving skills with fully simulated systems. But the equipments for that are very expensive, as you can see in this picture. So, we are planning to make something that is practical for a normal driver who just want to learn about traffic rules. So the main innovation part in our project is that we are trying to make a simple app that you can easily download on the phone and watch it in VR with any cardboard VR box, any affordable VR box. And your phone and the app will automatically take you through the traffic and guide you through the traffic signs, rules, and proper maneuvers with simulated tutorial. Now you won't be controlling your vehicle, but you will get an idea of how it feels on the road to drive and how to follow the traffic rules. So it's easy for a normal citizen to download this app and get an affordable VR box and watch and learn the traffic rules while having an immersive experience of the road. So our project is mainly focused on India's traffic, and we will try our best to make it easier for Indian users. The tools and technology that we will be using in this project is Unity 3D, Blender, and any normal VR box. So we basically will make the environment and car and everything inside Blender using modeling and uh, sculpting features. Then we will import all of that into Unity 3D and we will track all of that with C sharp and we'll make an app out of it. So our main focus is to make a simple app that anyone can download in their phones. Because if you want to have a extreme immersive experience that you can control your vehicle, then you will need a very huge amount of money to buy the equipments for that. So we are not going that route, but instead we are just making a simple app that will guide you and will teach you and educate you about the traffic rules and how to follow all the signs and all the traffic rules, all the speed limits and all the signs meanings. So that way you will be able to understand all the rules with an immersive experience in virtual reality. So this was our innovation and entrepreneurship assignment project. I hope that you like it and thank you for watching.